I've been working on some piece of news about the dengue fever. And well, I'm going to explain to you what dengue fever is. Because some of you may not know. Well, dengue is a disease that is caused by a virus. And this virus is carried by a mosquito. And where do mosquitoes live? Or where do they grow? Have a, you know, like the perfect environment to grow? Tropical weathers, tropical countries, tropical weather. Sorry. So well, the title of my news says somewhere here. Brazil works. How is it?
You mean the headline?
Brazil, yeah, the headline, the title. Brazil releases good mosquitoes to fight dengue fever.
Wow.
Okay, so there's this research facility in Brazil where these scientists have been working to find a cure to suppress this disease. And how have they done it? Well, it's very simple. We have two mosquitoes, okay? This one, okay. Yes. This one is the bad mosquito, this one is the dengue mosquito, and this one is a healthy mosquito. So let's call it, this is the bad mosquito and the good mosquito, okay? So these scientists have done the coolest thing I've ever seen. They have isolated a bacteria, and this bacteria is called Wolbachia. Wolbachia. So they have taken this bacteria and they have injected this bacteria inside this mosquito. So this mosquito is now infected with the Wolbachia, with this good bacteria. And well, you know, after that, they release this mosquito into the air. They released, I don't know, like 40,000 or something like that. And well, you know, mosquitoes get together in puddles and everything. They mate, they reproduce, so they infect each other. And this mosquito infected with the Wolbachia infects this other mosquito with dengue, and this one is the strongest one. So it actually cures this one. So we could say that this mosquito is like a vaccine, you know, like a flying vaccine.
Wow.
It's gonna cure this one.
Amazing.
And so it multiplies. These mosquitoes multiply a lot because they are the strongest ones. And they defeat this dengue virus that this one have. So when these mosquitoes who have both dengue and Wolbachia, the dengue disappears, and when they bite people, we human beings, we no longer have the disease because these mosquitoes don't have the dengue anymore.
Wow.
So it's that simple. So okay, long story short, is that the scientists, instead of having the population vaccinated against the dengue, they use the mosquitoes as a vaccine. So it's like it's very cool. It's cool because we're using the nature to fight something that it's in the nature. We're using an insect to fight a disease. Well, what else? Well, a funny thing about this is that this happened in Brazil. This investigation has been going on since 2008, and they released the mosquitoes this year. And why? Because, as all of you know, this year we had this World Football Cup that was taking place in Brazil. So I think that there is a political side to this, because they wanted to project like an image, a good image. So it was really good publicity for them to invent this, to invest in this, and to create this, and to release this on the news, you know? So yeah, I think it's good that they came up with this solution because it's, I don't know if it's easy and it's like very effective, but there's also a wrong side to this because why, I mean, if the World Football Cup hadn't taken place, would they have done this or not? Because I don't know, I'm not sure.
I did not.
Yeah, I think no. Because we have so many, we have some other, oh yeah, I have them up here. Can you change to the other picture? It's number 2, I think. No, 3. There. Okay. So this is a map of the current situation of dengue outbreaks around the world. So we have, you know, most of the places who are infected are tropical weather places. Like, you know, Brazil, Latin America, Mexico, Africa, India, and some Asia, southern parts, and some of the little bit of Australia here. And well, there's a cool thing, well, there's another thing, that this research started in Australia. Before doing it in Brazil, they started, they used these mosquitoes in Australia. And Australia, I had another map, but I lost it, and Australia was like totally covered with, you know, with this red part. And now it's like, okay, it worked. So its effectiveness, it's good, because it actually worked. And well, can you change to the other? Okay. To the number two, here. No, that's your...
Sorry. This one.
Okay, so see, this is a current map of the dengue situation. This is the probability of dengue fever outbreak. So the red spots are the places with 100% of probability of getting infected by these mosquitoes. So you can see that they grow around, these mosquitoes live in places where are very, how can I say, wet, or where the humidity is very high.
Yeah.
Okay, like, you know, the coast and everything around the rivers called the Amazonas, the big river, and there's another river here. So they live around that. And all these places, Culava, Belo Horizonte, Manaus, are places where they started releasing the mosquitoes. And the most amazing thing is that all those places have football stadiums. What about the rest of the country, you know? So, well, that's all. Well, there's another picture, and I'm gonna end my presentation with this. So you can see how the mosquitoes look and everything, and how they release it.
White.
Right click for squid. It's number 1. It's
This one here?
yes. So that's how they do it. You know, there's the Aedes aegypti is the how they scientifically call the dengue virus, and the Wolbachia is the good bacteria they found. So they get the mosquitoes together. Well, actually, these mosquitoes are the good ones. So they, you know, they invented those nets, or well, yeah, it's like a net or something, and they release those mosquitoes into the air, and well, they do their job, and they fight off the virus. And well, that's all.
Excellent.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah.